When it comes to capturing life from above, not all drones are created equal. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or just someone who loves tech, the right drone can completely transform your perspective. But with so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in specs and features that don't always deliver. That's why in this video, we're cutting through the noise. We're looking at drones that strike a perfect balance between power, performance, and price. Gear that's actually worth your time and money, from sleek foldable designs to advanced flight features and stunning camera quality. These drones offer more than just cool tech. They offer real value. So please watch till the end, subscribe, and let's dive in. The foam drone RC UFO is all about safe, hands-on fun. Built with durable EPP foam and enclosed propellers, it's designed to protect both the drone and anything or anyone it might bump into. There's no remote control here. Just wave your hands and it responds with built-in sensors. It's ideal for kids, beginners, or anyone looking for a worry-free flying experience indoors. No camera or GPS, but it's got plenty of fun packed in. You'll find the link to check it out in the description. The Sky Viper. Dash Nano is fast, responsive, and small enough to fly indoors with ease. It's built for quick moves and tight turns. Great for beginners who want to sharpen their flying skills before upgrading. You'll find the link to grab one in the description. This drone is built with beginners in mind, especially younger users or anyone just getting started with flying. It's lightweight, easy to control, and comes with a basic camera that lets you snap photos or record simple videos from the air. It won't win any awards for cinematic footage, but for its size and price, it's a fun way to explore aerial views without a big learning curve. It features altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing, so you don't have to worry about orientation or crashing on your first flight. Plus, its propeller guards add a layer of safety, which is a bonus if it's being used indoors or around kids. This isn't a pro drone, but it's a great entry point for anyone curious about flying without spending too much. If you're testing the waters, this one's a great place to start. Link to check it out is in the description. This drone offers a nice step up for beginners who want more than just basic flying. It comes with a built-in 2K HD camera and real-time FPV transmission, so you can actually see what the drone sees straight from your phone. That opens up a whole new layer of control. Great for lining up shots or just enjoying the view from above. The camera itself won't match what you get from high-end drones, but it's definitely sharp enough for casual content, social media clips, or learning the ropes of aerial videography. It's also equipped with features like altitude hold, gesture control, and trajectory flight. Little additions that make the flying experience smoother and more intuitive. Battery life is modest and it won't go super far, but it's stable in the air and surprisingly responsive for its size. Whether you're flying for fun or experimenting with basic video, it covers a lot of ground without getting complicated. You can find the link to check it out in the description. The Tensinex GPS drone is a solid choice for anyone stepping into more advanced drone territory. It's equipped with GPS-assisted flight, which means features like return to home, waypoint navigation, and better overall stability, especially useful for outdoor flying. It also comes with a 4K camera giving you clearer images and smoother footage than the basic drones offer. It supports follow me mode and custom flight paths, which is great for hands-free shooting or creative angles. The controls are responsive and flight time is respectable, thanks to its dual battery setup. It's not quite a pro-level drone, but it delivers a well-rounded experience that feels polished and capable without overwhelming first-time users. If you're ready to go beyond beginner drones without jumping straight to the top-tier brands, this one sits comfortably in the middle. You'll find the link to check it out in the description. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying what you've seen so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find content like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future drops. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. What features matter most to you when choosing a drone? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. We've still got more ahead, so grab a drink, get comfy. And don't forget to watch till the end. Now let's get back to it. Introducing the Potensic Atom S GPS drone, a lightweight powerhouse designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers a foldable design that's as portable as your smartphone. Equipped with a 4K EIS camera, the ATOMSE captures stunning aerial footage with enhanced stability. Its Surgefly flight control system provides 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing you to tailor your flying experience. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a transmission range of up to 6 kilometers, the Atom SE ensures extended and uninterrupted flights. It even comes with helpful flight tutorials built right into the app, which is perfect if you're still getting comfortable with all the features. Plus, the LED lights make it easy to fly at dusk or in low light conditions, adding both style and visibility to your flights. You'll also appreciate the drone's foldable design, which makes it easy to pack and carry for travel or outdoor shoots. It comes with a carrying case that keeps everything organized, including extra props and batteries. And the built-in brushless motors not only extend durability, but also reduce noise and improve flight efficiency. Beginners will love the one-key takeoff and landing feature, while more experienced users can take full advantage of the manual controls and customizable flight settings. It strikes a nice balance between ease of use and performance, making it one of the better value drones in its class. Get yours through the link below in the description. Introducing the Bwine F7 GPS drone, a high-performance drone designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with a 4K camera featuring a 90-degree adjustable lens and a 120-degree field of view, it captures stunning aerial footage with clarity and precision. The drone boasts a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring stable and smooth video recording even during dynamic flights. With a maximum flight time of up to 75 minutes across 3 batteries, you can enjoy extended flying sessions. Designed for ease of use, the Bwine F7 features intuitive controls and smart flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Return to Home, making it accessible for pilots of all skill levels. Get yours through the link below in the description.
Palm-sized yet powerful. This is the DJI Mini 4K, a drone that delivers unbeatable value for your money. Mini 4K delivers video specs that used to be exclusive to some of the best drones on the market. This little wonder captures 4K videos, making it an ideal option for breathtaking landscapes, portraits, and more. Mini 4K is also equipped with DJI industry-leading flight technology. We're talking about precision hovering that keeps the drone ultra steady in the air, a 10K HD video transmission that lets you fly long distances and still enjoy a smooth video live feed, and a 3-axis gimbal for stabilization that keeps your shots steady even in the most challenging conditions. It also boasts a 31-minute flight time, 38 kph wind resistance, and a max altitude of up to 4,000 meters. In a world where every drone claims to be smart, Mini 4K is the real deal at a fraction of the cost. With just a few taps on the screen, automatically perform pro-level camera maneuvers like helix, circle, droney, rocket, and boomerang, or enjoy sweeping panorama images. The DJI Fly app can even automatically highlight your best shots and let you turn them into cinematic masterpiece with easy-to-use creative templates and other editing features. Thanks to DJI's reliable track record, global network of online and offline stores, comprehensive and worry-free after-sales service, with such an unbeatable value-for-money drone, what are you waiting for? Get your Mini 4K today.
Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a compact powerhouse that redefines what a sub-250-gram drone can achieve. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or tech enthusiast, this drone offers professional-grade features in a lightweight design. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 48-megapixel photos and 4K HDR videos at up to 60 frames per second. Its advanced imaging pipeline ensures vibrant colors and exceptional detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Designed with social media creators in mind, the Mini 4 Pro offers true vertical shooting, allowing you to capture vertical videos and photos in 4K HDR, perfect for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Safety is paramount, and the Mini 4 Pro excels with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Its comprehensive vision system detects obstacles in all directions, providing enhanced safety during flight. With ActiveTrack 360 degrees, the Mini 4 Pro can autonomously follow and frame subjects from any angle, ensuring dynamic and engaging shots without manual control. Enjoy extended flight sessions with the Mini 4 Pro's impressive battery life. With the standard battery, it offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, and with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, up to 45 minutes. Equipped with advanced return to home, the Mini 4 Pro ensures a safe return to its takeoff point by intelligently navigating around obstacles, even in complex environments. Utilizing DJI's O4 video transmission technology, the Mini 4 Pro delivers 1080p video at 60 frames per second over a distance of up to 20 kilometers, providing real-time, high-definition video feeds. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is exempt from FAA registration requirements in many regions, making it an ideal choice for casual and professional pilots alike. It also features night mode for better low-light performance, letting you capture clear, noise-reduced footage even after sunset. And with advanced image stabilization, your shots stay steady and cinematic no matter the flying conditions. Get yours through the link below in the description. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. I hope you've got a clearer idea of which drone might be your next big purchase. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the skies or a seasoned pro searching for your next upgrade, there's a lot to consider when it comes to getting the right one. If this video helped you narrow down your options, or if you've got any questions about the drones we covered, drop a comment below. I'd love to chat with you about all things drones and tech. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future drone reviews, tips, and everything you need to take your aerial game to the next level. More exciting drone content is coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you up in the skies in the next one.